open a next chapter, lesson number 15, the adverb. Read the following sentences. The boy runs. The boy runs quickly. The girl sweeps. The girl weeps. The girl weeps bitterly. The old man walks. The old man walks slowly. The woman speak. The woman speak politely. The soldiers fight. The soldiers fight bravely. In these sentences, if you find the words quickly, bitterly, slowly, politely, bravely, what they are? They are adverbs. Actually, these words again add something to the meaning of the verb. Okay. If you find the word quickly, tell us how the boy runs. How the boy runs? Quickly. Again, this running is quick. Okay. Again, when the girl is weeping, how she is weeping? She is weeping bitterly. So these words add something to the meaning of the verbs run, weep, walk, speak, and fight. Okay. So what is the definition of adverb? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb, which otherwise there are 4 kinds are given in your book, but in your syllabus we have only 2 kinds of adverb, that is adverb of manner and adverb of time. This is in your syllabus. Adverbs of manner. The girls play happily. The young man walks quickly. The sun shines brightly. They shouted angrily. She was behaving politely. Happily, quickly, brightly, angrily, all these are again adverbs of manner. Why? Because they are adding something to the meaning of verb. Okay. They clearly describe how the action is done. Remember how the action is done. Suppose the girl play happily. How? Happily. How the young man walks? Quickly. How the sun shines? Brightly. How they shouted? Angrily. How she was behaving? Was she behaving? Politely. So these adverbs are called adverb of manner. They answer the question. They answer the question how. Next comes our beta adverbs of time. They played chess yesterday. They play cricket tomorrow. Savita always arrives late. You must get up early. Obey me immediately. In these sentences, if you find yesterday, tomorrow, late, early, immediately, tell us again the time of action. Means when this action taken place. Okay, these again they answer the question when. When they played chess? Yesterday. When when will they play cricket? Tomorrow. When you get up? Early. Okay, got it? Got it, children? Come to the exercise A, beta. Pick out the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. Also name the verb which each is used. Means again, whichever the adverb of manner is there, you have to pick out that and you have to tell that in which verb it is adding something. Which, okay, it is adding the meaning to the verb. Which verb? Okay. The girl was walking quickly. Again, quickly is adverb of manner, and to which verb it is adding the meaning? Walking. Okay. Same way, Indian soldiers fought courageously. Again, courageously and fought. He ate heartily and ate. She spoke quietly. First is quietly, then spoke. We spend our money foolishly, foolishly, then spend. The sick woman walked slowly, slowly walked. This student writes clearly, clearly, then writes. The batsman hit the ball hard, hard, and hit. The wind is blowing gently, gently blowing. The shopkeeper spoke politely, politely spoke. Come to the B exercise, beta. Again, same way you have to choose, take out the adverb of time. Obey your parents and teachers instantly. Again, instantly and obey. I will see you later. Later, see. You will get an appointment letter tomorrow. Again, tomorrow, get. That day, all guests arrived late. Late, then arrived. We went to hospital today. Then today, went. Everyone must get up early in the morning. Early, then get up. My friend is going to Jaipur shortly. Shortly, then going. I met him yesterday. Here, yesterday, then met. Go there immediately. Immediately, then go. My friend comes here daily. Daily comes. Please better take out your fair notebooks to write your definitions. Chapter on the top, write down chapter 15, the adverb. Definition of adverb. An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. Example, the boy runs quickly, underline the word quickly. The girl weeps bitterly, underline the word bitterly. The woman speaks politely, underline the word politely. Then comes our kinds again. In our syllabus we have 2 kinds only, so we'll write 2 only. Kinds of adverb. First is adverb of manner. They clearly describe how the action is done. Example, the girls play happily. Underline the word happily. They shouted angrily. Underline the word angrily. Adverbs of time. They tell us the time of action. Okay. Example, you must get up early. Underline the word early. Obey me immediately. Underline the word immediately. Okay, beta, write these all definitions in your fair notebooks.